Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2011 Mitsubishi ASX, stock reference number 5089. This shape runs from the 7th month 2010 through to the 6th month 2013. It has a 4B11 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 4B11 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a ball tyre, left power door mirror. Left front door appears to have no damage, left rear door has one small dent, left side skirt, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a ball tyre, left taillight, left tailgate garnish. Tailgate appears to have no damage, tidy rear park sensor type bumper cover, right rear tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a ball tyre, right hand side skirt. Both right hand doors appear to have no damage, right power door mirror and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.